In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove any viruses or malware from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So the very first step is to head over to your start menu and just search for disk cleanup and then click on the disk cleanup window. From here, make sure you have your C drive selected and press OK. Then we're just going to press on clean up system files, and once again make sure the C drive is selected and press OK. Now what you need to do is make sure you have all of these boxes checked. So we're just going to go all the way down here and make sure everything's checked. And this is important as often viruses and malware can hide themselves in these temporary files. So once you've got all of these options checked, you're just going to hit OK and select delete files. Now you'll need to give that some time to finish cleaning up your drive. Shouldn't take too long depending on how much there is to delete. Also, don't worry about this deleting any important files. This is just going to get rid of all of those temporary files on your computer. So once that's finished, we're then going to head over to your start menu and search for run and then click on the run icon. In this box here, you're going to type in the word temp and hit enter. And this is another place where you want to delete all of your files. So what we're going to do is press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select everything, and then you're going to right click and select the trash icon to delete it. And if you get this security message pop up, just select do this for all current items and hit continue. Now there may be some files and folders left in here that can't be deleted, which is absolutely fine. You can close out of this folder. We're then going to head back over to the start menu, search for run again and click on the run icon. This time you're going to type in %temp %, and hit enter. And once again, you're going to delete everything inside of here by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, right clicking and selecting the trash icon. Select do this for all current items and hit continue. And you just want to make sure you've deleted the majority of files and folders in here. Once again, if there's anything left over, it's absolutely fine. You can close out of this window. Now once you've done that, just empty your recycle bin quickly to get rid of all of those files permanently. And once you've done that, we can now begin to try and remove the viruses or malware. So first thing we're going to do is come over to the start menu and just search for Windows Security, and then click on the Windows Security tab. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. And you want to make sure all of these options here are turned on, so you have real-time protection, dev time protection, etc, etc. If you have a third-party antivirus, then some of these controls may be managed by that, in which case you can just leave this step and come back out of here. Then we're going to come over to where it says current threats, and we're going to hit on a quick scan. And this will just perform a quick basic scan of your computer. Sometimes it can identify any malware or viruses from here. So wait for this to get to 100%. And once this scan's finished, you can see for my computer, 0 threats are found. What we need to do now is head over to an internet browser, and you just want to type in malwarebytes download and hit enter. Then scroll down past these sponsored links and you'll have this malwarebytes.com. Click on this, and then we're just going to hit free download in the top right hand side. So give that a couple of seconds and it should appear in your downloads folder up here. Then we're just going to double click on this setup file and then just go through the steps to install this to your system. So click on next, select skip this for now. This is a relatively small application, so it shouldn't take too long to install. Once it's finished installing, click on open malwarebytes and then press this blue scan now button. And then you'll just need to leave this now running on your computer while it scans all of your system. You can see any virus detections or malware will be detected here. So this is typically a bit more of an extensive scan than the one that's built into your Windows system. So you can see here that we found some threats that weren't detected on the Windows security scanner, and that's why you want to do both of these scans. And if you do find any threats here, you just want to make sure you have them all checked. Then you can click on the quarantine button at the bottom. And as you can see, these have now been resolved. You can press next. And once you've finished, you'll be taken over to the Malwarebytes homepage. Then what we need to do is click on detection history, click on quarantined items, and then here you'll find all of the items that were quarantined. We just want to click on the select all box and then come down and press delete and select yes. Now that's going to permanently delete them from your system. So even if you decide to uninstall this software, that's now removed the viruses and the malware. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.